ki pulit kidang penlong ki jing Thwet yu Ramesh dhar bla phet na jing cha sha bom pynïap ki pajba ka bla cha ka no phai singi khatwai trek noi lur arjar puar ha changpung kumju yu Rikmenlang lamarie bukhlam dan lang ba kunhun kin rungut ki bla phet na Jawai district jail mana ka shpo trek noi lur arjar puar uba lakman rumboi menteri badi khmi kana kampo yang ka sukar jala aba pentip ikani singi ba ar ka drobar sanrai jong ka yang drobar thawan khat ar trek noi lur arjar puar ulong bana kin rungut ka ta sangut bakan thop yu I love you tarang uloda start tang usidor ki dhar marsan ki teryang klayap no asyoban poi hospital hading gejik syabam ki pajba dak bakentui pajba benum shimi ka anya kti ulong basan ngut ki pulit pahara kasngi balaj phet kunun I love you bar ki porlok chunguru lapan ngat kandon an balak kemiki komot do bo I love you talang lem masan ngut ki layo phet na Jawai district jail hakno phai sngi spotrik noi lur ajar par dak bakta akti bat panap tari pulit bar ki lapoi phet ri shikhlaw hasangpung Dei ka porman sngi jong kharwai tarik nai lur ajar par klami balai thet cha nak wai ka dukan na shangpung badon ki bri ki balai I bat bodi ne ki batlap bakiri hakate ka khlaw ki lapha chingtep shaki nong shnong bar shiki wai pat ban wan khang kadong yakate ka khlaw bar hapreng ki chingdon ki pulet ki bamla ban tel kam shu ki paiba hi gila sei ki te kanhun ba sangut bat bom ki du dieng hadu bakin dayap uba ramboi lapentep bak sakar jala kalau hukum man pelong dak ching tohkit dak bor Magisterial lani Magisterial Inquiry halo ching sha bom pynïap ik sangut dak paiba asangpung
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to make a statement on the Rule 55 of Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business on the yesterday incident in West Indies Hills.
You may do so.
Mr. Speaker, sir, on the 10th of September 2022, around 1:45 p.m., 5 under trial prisoner and 1 convict managed to escape from the District Prison and Correctional Service Jawai, which are as follows. A. Shri I Love You Talang, son of Shri Bijoy Taryang, residents of Murab village, Jawai police station. B. Shri Ramesh Khar, son of Shri Rajesh Khar, resident of Mimitlu village, Jawai PS. C. Shri Lodestar Tang, son of Srimati Maris Tang, residents of Motorshia village. D. Sri Shidor Kid Khar, son of Sri Ramsten, resident of Thangrain village. E. Sri Marsanki Taryang, son of Novel Pasa, resident of Priang village, Jawai police station, a convict. F. Sri Rikmenlang Lamare, son of Sri Jacob Pandey, resident of Buratu village, Nartiang police station. During the preliminary inquiry, it is ascertained that the district prison Jawai is segregated into 3 security parameters, whereby the first and outer periphery is managed by the platoon of 6 battalion, and second and third periphery is managed by the staff of district prison. All under trial prisoner and a convict were inside the third periphery. Around 1:45 p.m. on the 10th of September 2022, when the warden entered the third periphery gate, he was overpowered and forcefully opened the third gate by overpowering the gatesman in the third gate as well as the second gate. On reaching the outer periphery, first gate, which is manned by the personnel of 6th MLP battalion, the personnel of 6th MLP battalion there tried to stop the jailbreak by firing in the air. However, he was assaulted by the sharp weapon in his head, and the escapee overpowered him, and all managed to escape. In this incident, a total of 4 prison staff and 1 police personnel received injuries, and out of which 1 prison staff and 1 policeman and a policeman got hospitalized. A criminal case, namely Jawai police case number 118 in bracket 09/2022 under section 128/34 of IPC was registered against 5 prison staff, namely Rajaswar Head Warden, Sri Chamilan Kenjing Warden, Sri Dame Lahun Sun Temporary Warden, Sri Pendabor Bamon Warden, and Sri Alexius Yauram Temporary Warden, which subsequently been arrested. Following the escape, all police units in the district were alerted on the escape of under trial prisoner and a convict, and subsequently search operations were commenced by all police unit and a special team from district. Hue and cry notice was submitted to the Special Superintendent of Police, CID Meghalaya Shillong, for circulation to all districts. On 11 September 2022, a mob of around 5,000 plus villagers from different unknown villages made a hot pursuit of 4 below noted escaped prisoners and converged into a forested area away from Shangpung village in West Giant Hills. On received information, the police team proceeded to the place of occurrence but was vehemently prevented by unruly mob. Police team tried to negotiate and confront the mob to proceed to the place of occurrence to prevent an attack of which there were 4 escapees. However, after much confrontation with the mob, to the effect many policemen got injured. The police team managed to retrieve and remove 4 unconscious escapees from the place of occurrence to civil hospital with the permission of magistrate on duty. However, on reaching the hospital, it was declared by the medical officer that all 4 of them have been brought dead. The 4 deceased are 1. Shri I Love You Talang, son of Shri Bijoy Tarian, resident of Murab village, Juai police station. B. Shri Lodestar Tang, son of Srimati Maris Tang, resident of Mutershia village. C. Shri Shidor Kidkhar, son of Shri Ramsten, resident of Thangrang village. D. Shri Marsan Kitarian, son of Shri Novel Pasa, resident of Priang village, Juai police station. All the 4 dead bodies were presently kept at morgue in civil hospital Yalong. The untrailed prisoner who escaped the mob lynching is suspected to be Shri Ramesh, and the person who is not in the group is Shri Rikmenlang Lamare, and the whereabouts of the 2 at present is still unknown, and the police is on the lookout for them and on high alert. The Additional Superintendent of Police West Giant Hills is entrusted to conduct the independent inquiry into the reason and circumstance linked to escape. The district magistrate has directed Sri P.K. Boro, MCS, Additional Deputy Magistrate, West Giant Hills, to conduct Magisterial Inquiry into the matter of jailbreak, and Sri M.A. Shalam, MCS Additional District Magistrate, is hereby deputed to conduct inquest on the 4 bodies of the escaped prisoner. I just want to add one more line, sir. Regarding this incident, through this Akos House, through you, sir, I request each and every citizen of the state not to take the law into their hand and cooperate with the law enforcing agency so that this type of thing should not happen. Let the law take its own course. Thank you, sir. Thank you.